typing in his phone passcode. Oh dear, that's an expensive mistake for you to make, sir. I will be reporting you to the police. I'm sorry?
You've got nothing else to do.
You don't catch bad drivers like you, yes.
Yeah, I'm a good driver.
Well, no, you aren't, because you just picked up your phone.
On your bike.
And after it's gone to the police, it'll be going on YouTube.
Yeah, really. Oh, cool. Yeah, kick
Stay off your phone. Behind the wheel's not the place to be using it. Alpha Whiskey 19 Charlie Zulu Kilo. I know, just relax. I know, it was some shitty driving. Yeah, relax mate, relax. You ain't making it any better by beeping.